The coronavirus is rapidly infecting people's lungs and spreading. The vaccine is not yet. The threat is imminent. The most effective prevention so far is to build isolation hospitals to stop the spreading.
Our way of help is to provide community-sized hospitals using our flat-pack container houses. First, we have the small-sized community container hospitals, which contains one office, one pharmacy, one consultation room, one reception room, 2 isolation rooms, 1 sanitizing room, and 1 equipment room. For larger-scaled communities, we have the mid-sized container hospitals. Inside has 1 pharmacy, 1 office, 4 consultation rooms, 1 reception room, 8 installation rooms, and 1 sanitizing room and 2 equipment rooms. For contagion clinics, we recommend the large-size hospital with isolation rooms, 1 reception room, 2 consultation rooms, 1 equipment room, 1 pharmacy, 2 changing room, 1 sanitizing room, 1 storage, 1 office.